Hey guys, welcome to the Stu Sales Team's brand new listing. And I always say it, you gotta listen to Stu, because all you people out there who keep crying that you can't get into the market, this unit is unbelievable. It is 2 bedrooms, a den, beautiful wood floors, great kitchen, stainless steel appliances, lots of space if you have to work at home, home office, you have a guest bedroom, you got the den for the home office, tons of space here, gorgeous view of the city, beautiful, you can see the whole city from here, you can see forever, and you know what, it's under $800,000. That's ridiculous for this much space. It's a super cool building, it's got a gym, got a really nice rooftop terrace, you can barbecue, and guess where we are? In my hood, we're right in the heart of the junction. The funkiest, funnest area in the city. Noto, great Italian restaurant. Alpine, great bar. You got funky shops, Bow in the Bubble. There's so much to do here. And you're minutes to the Up Express. Honestly, $5, 7 minutes, you're downtown Toronto. So look, go to StuSells.ca, see all these photos, the videos, the virtual tour, and give me Stu a call and come for a private showing.